Nonsia bo adishima ma yemamu nyina ajo esanso emamo akwaba edeba virgin enyume nonsia kasebo eso kasebo ensaso so ene enyume no ana osemufo aso no so kronya ye ba betete ne sre ene abasa edi amamo ene enyume ensem no doso ye dimu akotene ebi ene say Universal Quick Response QR code eno eba beboa ama krono bebeba no efa yesikasem ho no omampanyi abedeche Dr. Mahmoud Baumia akwakopa ho entoma emunsam no yede ebebremu ene enyumre Sarah enso ana Owura Patrick Boama ono eye Deputy Minister of Sanitation and Water Resources wakasa echiremu ese wone na aban no eba beka bom na ahunidi ese na efata no ebi etimi akoso ewo enkran ene nimpatamu nyinada wonsem fufro mu enso no Maami Cynthia Mamle Morrison ono eyo swafo hwe emema enkwadani asetemu yediemu ensem eso wakakopie mu ewo etifidu mantamu ene adehya sebiyabo wonu medin se wonu eye abaifo no yade a wakakoche wonu nyinada eniema wo enigidie ensemu enso nyumtini pa wagidin ewo manga na mu anidin ene yaw sapon odenyum fofo kra ababontin die daso ene se peace asumdwe nyinada ne se obo asumdwe hu dewro sabre yakakra amaya kwakoto abanum amanoni ensemu enso no ababeto jese Uganda manu emu basabasa yo mentimi ho ase bi akoso wo hono amanu nam so nipa aduasa enso de wonumu afemahwe won kwan yaya amadodo na akanso egu ayasabia wonumu eje ayarehwe ensema fofo binim ka wem hi osemufo aso no so krogen se ye ma mekenkan fama mu ese virgin enyume no sia kase bo nya meje braken ka kase bo ye dia ma media meje so a ene ma bna adobia ye dan hu sima ye ba kase bo no mu kiremu ye de bebrem
Ghana kuafo atedene se wudua to se de abiti se mako entos nyadoa anasem kruma ebimpo a na odobanchifuo bode bayire ene mfudie nyina kokofo yenyimu mfrim emme ene bibia mudua mo sase so no First Village Group Limited aba abesomu ne nyina ne se eba seedlings aba pie didua cabbage onion carrot pepper bibia wonsabetima kan bi eno so danchen a abefo kwan fa so dua neyema na atim aso na from there furniture First Village Company Limited ye kira kwan ye wo nsawa main station asam den se enye no ban woni manko a ekoba warranty boot machine se spray koko e di spray neyema nyina won sabetimi aka bi eno so da ho a eba emowa ho so ayenya enro hodo de boma emowa enyini from ne nyina won sabetimi aka bi wo ho obetimi afre opanyi kese e wo 0244 694631 0244 694631 First Village Group Limited Ghana kuafo damase
sanso makwaba biem edeba virgin enyume no nsia kasebo no esona ye hye kasebo no ase edia Universal Quick Response QR code eno eba beboa amakro no bebeba eta koso ewo yesikase mu no eto etimi etwa eno nam so amampani abedi eche Dr. Mahmoud Baumia akoye amamre apa ho entoma ochira empempi na ya na edwodufo dodo na se wono mu ekodwa so a wono mu edisika bebre na ehye won ho be hu na ekwamukafo anasa akonfo remfo bi akoto ahye wono mu so agi wono sika no na akwakoye awekosem na ochira ye Universal QR code eno eba beboa ama yesika sempa de etimi ejina brane ewo oman Ghana emu
Ghana ni omana etoso miensa wo wiase a universal quick response QR code no yede eva bedi yejuma wo ebibremu hasen so yene omanya yedi kan a yede universal quick response QR code no so eva bedi yejuma wo march bosu de toso edionunum ewo afimpinu ni eduonu mu a ana mampani abediche Dr. Mahmoud Baumia edanu edi na bank sene telecommunications akodo no so ede ba bedi yejuma ukọ baby akoto ade ananse wukodi dwa na so hu se sticker no bi ebo ho no ma na wahu se QR code no eyade a eye ejuma papa eno enenam so amamampani abediche Dr. Mahmoud Baumia akokopa ho entoma ekasa ye edinisem etu dwase
QR code, as is known for short, quick response. It's a very, very historic day because we are solving a major problem here in Ghana, and it is historic because Ghana will be the first country in Africa to launch a quick response code payment system. And not only are we the first country in Africa, we are also, as far as I'm aware, the third country in the world to do a universal quick response code after Singapore and India. And however, Singapore and India, their QR codes only cater for bank customers. Ghana's QR code will cater for both bank and non-bank customers. That is those who use mobile money as well as have bank accounts. So in this regard, Ghana's QR code is unique and is the first of its kind in the world. And so we have to be rightfully proud as Ghanaians that we are using technology to solve a problem that exists in our society. But in doing so, we are really leading the world in this manner. We are leading the world. And so I am very proud here, and it has taken collaborative effort. We just didn't wake up and find the QR code universal QR code in Ghana. The Ministry of Communications has been critical. The Bank of Ghana, GIPS, the banks, the telcos, the fintechs. This is what is so unique about the Ghana story. It's very, very unique that we have had collaboration from all these stakeholders, and we've been able to actually come up with this universal QR code. And what does it do? The QR code essentially allows merchants or all people who receive payments to receive the payments on their mobile phone. So if you go, you can pay using your mobile phone. The merchant can receive the payment using their mobile phone instantly, right? So you scan the QR code, and then you can confirm that yes, this is the merchant and I'm paying this amount to the merchant. So it's very secure in that regard, and it's very convenient. But we are solving a problem. We are solving a problem that has been with us practically since independence. We are a cash-based economy, and in a cash-based economy, it's a very inefficient economy. And we are cash-based because so many people are excluded from the financial system. So we do a lot of transactions with cash, which means robberies can take place as people carry cash around. In this COVID environment, in fact, one of the ways you transmit the virus is by handling things like cash. Physically. So e-commerce too doesn't develop if you have a cash-based economy. So we have been thinking since we've been in office of how do we solve this problem? How do we move Ghana from this cash-based economy to an electronic payments-based economy? We have attacked this problem in two ways. First of all, we've implemented mobile money interoperability. And mobile money interoperability, as I said, is the first of its kind that we've implemented. So you have interoperability between bank accounts, the mobile wallets, and the e-switch accounts. No other country in Ghana has been able to do this, in the world, has been able to do this. And then beyond this, we've brought in the QR code, which is riding on the real-time rails that we have with the mobile money interoperability and the Ghana Instant Pay system, the GIPS Instant Pay. So we are solving this problem, saying that, okay, if you are a merchant, any type of merchant, or even if you are a shoe shine boy or a trotro operator, one of the problems with going electronic is that the infrastructure, most merchants don't have or cannot afford the point of sale device. The point of sale device is very expensive for small merchants to maintain. You know, you pay fees and so on, and it's very cumbersome. So if you're a small merchant, the QR code for all merchants means all payments go directly into your bank account or into your mobile wallet, right there. You know, so you don't need to be carrying that cash. And for anybody who uses
Ebusia ye to akase bono eso na osofo abege kire ohwe ye ahunidie ni nsuwansu ho ensem so anidin eni owura Patrick Boama wakasa de atu edwase one na so ye no eba beka bomu na enkran titiru se ye hwe ye tu ye ni hwe no ya na ahunidie ho nsem no ho asem no akwakoye kana kakra eno nam so ama wakasa de atu dwase wonmo eba beboa ama ahunidie pa de timi afa ntuma pa edi efra ewo enkran se de beyo na yenso yebo yedin ewa bibimemu si yedi ehuni a yenso yetimi edi esesi yebo epi akase yehunidie no eyade a esipi na esita
Osuafo abedi etwi a ohwe Ghana yahunidie ne ensuwansu ho ensam so metwe Deputy Minister for Sanitation and Water Resources Onimonyamfo Patrick Boama enene wodi ababetu edwasem Eyade a NPP amanyokuo no eyomani suade hunu se won bema enkran a eye Ghana nyina ya hinkuro no eho atenwan na eba na ebibiri mamu a womo ene beye ekura edikan a womo di womo ho eni papapa te se wonam nkran monten so a unhunu se rubber anase efimpo ewo ho ene no womo ani suade hunu a efri se ene enkosi December yebeto abano womode ebegu akwem no membema no awie peye woka eno kire mu se eyade a oman Ghana beye yi a ejina mene wo eso enti yemomodin titiriwu ne nya yete enkran se yebeboa na sabio ejanan a yekọ ewo monten so enwura yetutugu monten so no yebejai na aboa ama omani suade hunu abem na Ghana so afa ne ntuma pa efra wokan sansem wei ewa bra womo etoto nano wo kasa no sei na wo kan no
Ebusia for ye to so dia na enche bia ne babeto dja se ensem bi koso wo social media no ni nada eni se mami bia ye bo ni beye se oye beifo no nam so ama ebrode wo gi bi pa ama ye arahosem krapo ba ye se wahre ne nkwan ya no enu nam so ama gender minister ye mami Cynthia Mamle Morrison wakokopie mu ewo tifidu mantam edi eniema dobi eno no esene fata akwakoma adihye ya yebo onum din se wonom etise nyina da se de beyo na onum so etimi edi abo wonom ho ebra na eniema bia maami di koma eye adihye bia yebo ndin se wonom ya barifo no ebi eye emo eni eniema hodo na samuna keka ho eni eniema hodo na se de beyo na onum so ebetimi edi abo wonom ho bra sabre ya yebo ndin se wonom eye sebe abaifo yi
Mami Cynthia Morrison eye osuafo a ohwe emema enkoda ni asetena mu yedie ho ensem so meche Minister for Gender, Children and Social Protection enene wodi ababetu edwasem ayade one ni mpanifo won bebo omo homoden so on beboa sabio omo ayabo omo kwadu se womo ya abayifo enuoma ebema womo asetena akonkan na atumpon no obeboa de ama womo wode sasemwe etudwa ewa abrokopie mu ewo etifido mantem eye abayifo baabi a yede womo akogu mekire witches camper ewo Gambaga eno ode sasemwe editu edwa wokan no ewa abra wode enuoma bi ekoma womo mekire nnuane ahodoɔ bi te se bayere emo anwa ne dia ekeka ho ene ntoma ntade a ebeboa na ama omo asetena mu etumpon na akwankan ene ode sasem wei etudwa wo kasa no ene ode to aso se enya de a wei ene ade a ode ema wo mo na emomu no bebre egugu akwan so a yebeboa na yede ama wo mo na omo asetena mu daadaa no akojojo esanse wo mo nso omo ye timamufu a omo wo oman Ghana wei emu
is very committed to ensuring that the welfare of all Ghanaians is catered for and that no one is left behind in national growth and development. Also, if you may recall, the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, together with the members of the Select Committee on Gender, Children and Social Protection in Parliament, visited the Kambaga alleged witch camp and other similar camps some few weeks ago to interact with you, to understand your needs and challenges, to inform appropriate policies, interventions that will protect and promote your welfare. You told us what you need and what your needs and challenges are, and we appreciated your concerns. We also saw for ourselves the conditions under which you live, no opportunities for income, the poor state of housing and sanitation conditions, no access to potable water, poor access to health, etc. So we are here today, as promised, to deliver the necessary support per your concerns. The support includes money, construction of mechanized boreholes for the other camps in the northern region, establishment of a corn mill provision, provision of foodstuff, valid national health insurance card, mattresses and pillows, and all other things that will make your life comfortable. As I speak to you, in the other camps, residents are receiving their monies and being provided with national health insurance card. These camps are Kukuo Camp in Anumba South District Assembly, Gani Tindang Camp in Yendi Municipal Assembly, and the other three camps are Tidang Zia of Pantinga Camp, Nambuli Camp, and Lele Debari Camp in the Bushego District Assembly. All these camps are in the northern region. Interestingly, the residents in those camps prefer to live in the camps rather than returning to their communities partially because of reintegration challenges such as rejection, stigmatization, reaccusation of witchcraft, and the threat of death and violence. As a result of these situations, the residents find the camp as a safe haven. However, life in the camps is not that of despair. Opportunities to make a living is non-existent or not available. To holistically address the phenomenon of witchcraft accusations, violence against alleged witches, wizards, and the continuous existence of camps, we plan to adopt a three-pronged approach: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. In the short term, we will attend to the basic needs of the residents and the poor state of camps, cash transfer, valid national health insurance cards, and assorted items will be provided for the residents.
Yen nanim se enche bia na afempinu ni aduonu abato no ye de ahyehye so a enesa enam so ama enkomhye bebre na ana aba asofo ahodo na ababonten e de ababetu edwase party A party B obia betimi awi ni bi na ene yensa kan eye nana Samandani ewo ahoma no so ayere no ba twetwe nkomo ede afa afia bato a eba bekoso na ono so yaje na no disem ede afa ho esan se omo so no ye ko omo afem a omo ni nanonom ene di wonum djuma na aba homa no so ye ne no entwetwe enkomo. Hello Nana.
Hello.
Uti yanka ye mo akwa abodi ba Virgin TV so.
Yeah, me this abomwan.
Mpacha radio adom na so e. Yo. Na we dey monitor na afi ye nyanyum se abatoi enkom hye bebre na aba asofo kasa obi e kasa dia fan we si we ne bewini we so si we ne bewini na mo so sebe muti na nanu mu nchen na se ye so ye ba mu nchen ye bagima no disem e wo ho na ye bisa se afi abatoi ye kwakoto sen na hu no e defa
we mi na ba na da si me pa akonya research ya mona mo report ni mama akonya se me so me se ma ya na me kade mi no mo report se we me da se ye akomponi se ye tanka de so do se me so me te ka de yo de me wan se e fe na se e be ta pa akonya ke se e mo no parliamentary na se di da pop da be lu shikaka
parliamentary no eno ye ho amudi mu NPP ana NDC ana
NDC presidential and se na do beta na
Nana yento so na awakwa ye nana kase de ye pesi ebisa na usan so ben nana nom no afi abatoi ebimu aba huhu se bekoye enkoye musumu hu ni se bokọ asumdwe ebebem
asumdwe de e wo se kana ha no business na mene ko da ma ja su na na ye asumdwe pe pe ko so toti is a homo si na ko yo no mo wa ni sun su mo yo na ma so na e ko ya e be
Nana ye beja mo akode na yiwe fi ho no maye percentage wise na no so hu ni sen
wala roma mini aba obi ka se tunsu mo no percentage ga na yetro obi no mo be na tunsu mo percentage ne mo bo mu ni po be ma bi ne wo tunsu percentage ga ne pa ni be to bi ka sa so no o che na bi na fa na de o so tro ka so ni percentage ga na yetro no yo tunsu mo be se bo mu ne mo wo tunsu percentage ga ne pa ni mo be kana ti ni aba
Nana ye beda asese onya brani atwetwe nkomo
we de me na mashi
ebusia fo na chese Nana Samandani ono ane ene no atwetwe nkomo no chiam ye onum asem kose Nana osuma o eno no ose obi bi obaba bontene ababe ka se percentage wise no party A party B obenya se no obwa ubehu masem de ne mompa se ye beyi percentage natural no ochira no kure bia enim ntimu amaba bontene dada ese party A ebenya se na party B enya se no enye sa na temu nyina no kure bia enim abusa fo ye to akase bono eso ne adan ani akopie mu ewo enigide ensem emum na yin nim se enche bia ne de afimpinu ni aduonu abato no ahyehye so a enesa eno no so amajum to fa hodro na so ebobo nyuma hodro ede ama eye parties hodro na ne ababeto dwa ene se ya sapon ye boni bia atese obonyum ye papa woni eye musicians ni nyina dum to fa wono meto nyum ewo manga na mu akabomu ede enwuma babontina edi enda so eye peace tese asumdwe hu dero ana wono mo ebo sabe ya kakra ama ya kwakoto abano yenkoti ni nyum ni bi emra sisia
Mian of your Ghana to Ghana musicians, Bemi Chololo Noni, Mi Odeka, Namia Konuti Fafada, Akodada, Nanya Exo, Mutani de was soon about Alakasanga watching Bafo the Hutu, Rachi Buala Set Malawi, Kajemi, Ushiki Fon, Jebe, Shimum Twin Yole, Sodo,
Zimbabwe, Sudan, Ivory Coast, Okumofra, Wanimbibia, Yudelinsa, Okumofra, Wanimbibia, Yudelinsa, Ghana, Yentraodo. Some and yen talk was some party asemi and your man so
Party moon tokwa amo mai bisu adishie akoyankwa bi cross
oh hi party moon tokwa amo nipa
Abusia ye gida we so ni ada ye husima ye ba kase bo no ye de beko amanone ensemu ye basisia
Ghana kuafo ate dende se wudua to se de bi se mako entos nyadoa anasem kruma ebimpo a na odoba nchifuo bode bayire ene mfude nyina kokofo yenyimu frim emme ene bibia mudua mo sase so no First Village Group Limited aba abesomu ne nyina ne se eba seedlings abapa edidua cabbage onion carrot pepper bibia won sabetima kan bi eno so danchen ya abefo kwan fa so dua ne yema na atim aso na from there furniture First Village Company Limited ye kira kwan ye wo nsawo main station asam den se enye no ban won yema nko a ekoba warranty boot machine se display koko e display ne yema nyina won sabetimi akan bi eno so da ho a eba emmowa ho so ayenya enro hodo de boma emmowa enyini from ne nyina won sabetima kan bi wo ho obetimi afre open kese e 0244 694631 0244 694631 First Village Group Limited Ghana kuafo damase
for a so my kwaba e de ba virgin enwure no nsia kasebo eso na ye dan ani akopemu ewo amanoni ensem emu ye Uganda manu emu ababeto jase afimpinu ni adwonu bakum ana wonom de wonom abato no ebe hihye so eno nam so amadwumtuni bakwa ne din eni Bobby Wine woni wonom mampanyina din eni Yoweri Museveni ena ekwa akogina na ababeto dwa se aposifo esa aso eye nyumtuni ya ne din eni Bobby Wine epachi ama kwakwo piem kra ewo asendibia na asemisi ya pe na mabu na wonom ewo Uganda manu mu enso antiasia wonom de oye kire hihye so amanunam so enipa aduasa enso de wonom afamu ahwe won kwan ya amadodo ya ye kasenso wonom egu ayasabia wonom eje ayarehwe
ni aduonu baako a yebesimu no na man Uganda ede na bato ebe hihye so wei enam so manyumtuni Bobby Wine egina se omamu ni nyina ento ne so aba wa abra Bobby Wine eye ne campaign no aposifo so ne pechi esanse emra wodi gu akwan mu ema yare kodiawo coronavirus no wabu emra no so ema no akwakopie mu ewo asemdibia wa abra mabunu no te sa asemwe no wa amana anya wa asem dekra enam so ma mabunu ye oye kire kese ewo man Uganda man mu wei ema nam so ema nipa aduasa enson ahwere won kwa ma won a waka so egu ayaresabia
abusiafo na we so ni yegina na kasebo ebobo ano ede babeso mo ene enwumre se virgin enwumre nsia kasebo no yedi nyina asi na aseda no enko enfama de kape ono ewo NCR camera no so no a na sanso ejina chi ya bibia eye kama DJs no so de eye DJ Mayor ba kope ono so ene bo aye chinchin fidie no afunu mama bibia ekọ so 13 na sita biom so enko masego oba pasego ana afenso no akire brewer ono ye fe no eye nana ya sa pepepe ene fe no mu nyina boye e makase boyi ekọ so 13 na mens bibia wo bia ye chiao ene enyimre na ye we show maame so speedy recovery ye stress nyankopa bo no ho ban na no ho atom na bibia wo bia wasan so abeka yensa ene ewo hanu ese kasebo no esi nya meje bre ekenka kasebo ya de ma media meje so a ene ma bna adobia ye ma munyina mo no hwaniti a adehye
Ghana kuafo atedende se wudu atosede ya bi se mako entos nyadoa anasem kruma ebimpo a na odoba nchifuo bode bayire ene mfudie nyina kokofo yenyimu mfrim emme ene bibia mudua mo nsase so no First Village Group Limited abesomu ne nyina ne se eba seedlings abapa edidua cabbage onion carrot pepper bibia wonsa betima kan bi eno so danchen ya abefo kwan fa so dua ne yema na atim aso na from there furniture First Village Company Limited ye kira kwan ye wo nsawa main station asam den se enye no ban woni manko a ekoba warranty boot machine se spray cocoa e di spray ne manyina wonsa betimi aka bi eno so da ho a eba emowa ho so ayenya enro ho de bo ma emowa enyini from ne nyina wonsa betimi aka bi wo ho obetimi afre open ne kese e wo 0244 694631 0244 694631 First Village Group Limited Ghana kuafo damase